Welcome back, everybody. So in a previous video, I unboxed this great monitor. So I did mention that I was going to show you guys how to plug it up. And for most people, this is going to be pretty simple, but might as well do it anyways. So you have three cords. You have a power cable. You have a display port cable. And you have a USB 3.0 cable. So the USB 3.0 cable, I would plug this in just because it allows you to do software updates for your monitor, and it also opens up the ability to use the 3.0 ports on the monitor itself. This is what that's going to be. And we are going to set this down. Let me actually move my stuff over here so maybe you guys can see the ports on the back. I'm just going to set this down just like that. This is pretty simple. We're going to take the 3.0 connector, and we're gonna get the side that looks like it's for a printer and plug that into the monitor itself. That's good. Now we're gonna take the display port, and there is an HDMI and display port. You literally can only put this in one way, so don't mess that up. It doesn't matter which side you use. Good. Port connector right there. Awesome. Now we are going to do a power cable. Simple enough. And while we're here, we can actually see there's two 3.0 connectors here, two more 3.0s inside, and an HDMI port, and it looks like a headphone jack. That's pretty cool. How you could transfer your, I don't know why you would do that. You're on the computer anyways, but maybe you use it like as a TV. You can use that. You can use your speakers on it or headphones on it. And the power cord goes right in, right there. Alright, everything's plugged in. So now we put the cover on. The boomerang, the Batman rang, or the Batarang. Should have thought about that on that previous video, but it's a Batarang. And also, just to mention here, the only way you're going to be able to get to 240 hertz on one of these monitors is by utilizing the display port. Don't use the HDMI port at all. It's not, it's just not capable of it. Alright, that looks neat. That's good. Turn this around. It's heavy. Okay, so I'm going to run my power cable to my power outlet, which my power outlet is very far from here. So I don't know if it's going to reach, but yeah, let's just do it under. Then my USB 3.0 and my display port's gonna go to my computer, which is way over there. So I gotta figure out how to get it over there. These cables are pretty long, so it does give you a lot of room for movement or for placement of your computer. My computer is just super far away. Well, not really, but the way it's set up anyways. Kind of change the view here so you guys can see what I'm doing. This is probably hard to see for you guys. We are going to take the 3.0 and the display port, try to find the 3.0 connector that it's gonna reach, and the display port, I'm gonna do display port 1 on the graphics card. Oh god, I don't know how I'm gonna get this to go around. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to cable manage any of this. Alright, so display port 1. Alright, and then we got to find a USB 3.0 somewhere. Oh, there's one right there. So that's going to go right there. Alright, now that we have everything plugged up, all you gotta do is turn it on. Yay, Alienware! Awesome. Alright, English. Yes. And of course, the one thing that we gotta make sure is that this is at 240 hertz. So we're gonna right click on our display. We're gonna right click on our desktop, go to display settings, go down to, it's gonna be 1080p, go down to advanced display settings, and make sure this is set to, let's see if I can get you guys that on camera. Start over real quick. This is your desktop. Right click, display settings. We're going to go down to where it says advanced display settings at the bottom. Once this window comes up, this is selected, we're going to click on display adapter properties. Because as you can see, it does say 60 hertz here. Display adapter properties. And once this window's up, go to monitor. Now go down to where it says screen refresh rate. Click on that and put it on 240 hertz. Now click apply. Keep changes. Okay. Alright guys, you're all set up. Everything's connected. It is set to 240 hertz. One of the most important things that people forget to do is doing that setting 240 hertz, because if you just buy the monitor and play at 60 hertz, then there's no point. And then people are like, I don't see any difference. Well, maybe you didn't set it up the correct way and you didn't put the 240 option on there. Trust me, I've had many clients, many people do that. They're like, I bought this monitor, it doesn't do anything, and I don't see the difference. Well, how about you turn on that feature, and it might just work. So if you enjoyed this video, if this helped you out, go ahead and subscribe, share it, so it helps other people out. Thank you again for watching, and I'll be back on another video, hopefully something more interesting or learnable. I don't know. Bye-bye.